What's Cricket Quick Pay? How to use it? Cricket Quick Pay is a convenient way to pay your Cricket wireless bill online or by phone. You can use a credit, debit, or prepaid card to pay your bill in full or make a partial payment. You can also use Cricket Quick Pay to set up autopay, so your bill will be paid automatically each month. To use Cricket Quick Pay, you will need to create an account and sign into your Cricket wireless account. Once you are signed in, you can select Quick Pay from the menu. You will then be able to enter your payment information and make a payment. Cricket Quick Pay is a secure way to pay your bill. Your payment information is encrypted and stored securely. You can also use Cricket Quick Pay to pay your bill from anywhere, at any time. Here are some of the benefits of using Cricket Quick Pay. Asterisk convenient, you can pay your bill online or by phone, 24/7. Asterisk secure, your payment information is encrypted and stored securely. Asterisk flexible, you can pay your bill in full or make a partial payment. Asterisk easy to use, you can create an account and sign into your Cricket wireless account in just a few minutes. Asterisk affordable, there is no fee to use Cricket Quick Pay. If you are looking for a convenient, secure, and affordable way to pay your Cricket wireless bill, Cricket Quick Pay is the perfect option for you. You can use Cricket Quick Pay without signing in. Here are the steps on how to do it. 1. Go to the Cricket Quick Pay website. 2. Enter your phone number. 3. Select the amount you want to pay. 4. Enter your payment information. 5. Click Pay. You will receive a text message with a confirmation code. Enter the code and click Submit. Your payment will be processed and you will receive a confirmation email. Here are some things to keep in mind when using Cricket Quick Pay without signing in. Asterisk you can only pay your bill in full. Asterisk you cannot set up autopay. Asterisk you cannot use a promo code. Asterisk you will be charged a $2 convenience fee. If you need to make a payment that is more than $100, you will need to sign into your Cricket wireless account. 2. Cricket wireless pay bill phone number is 1-800-274-2538. You can call this number to pay your bill over the phone, or to speak to a customer service representative about your account. You can also pay your bill online or through the Cricket wireless app.